Hi guys, this is again Amy. Welcome to the Cook My Channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do a very quick and easy eyeshadow makeup look tutorial. So this is the look that I went for. It's a very simple eyeshadow makeup look tutorial. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to watch this video and tell me what you guys think about the look. I really like it. So and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook page. Hope to see you guys very soon. Let's jump into the tutorial. So we're going to focus more on the eyes. I've already done my foundation. What I did, I used the Elegant Pro foundation. I used this is in Rich Cocoa, and I used the Elegant primer. I used to prime my eyes, my face. I've also done my eyebrow. I used the Elegant Brow Kit. So I used to do my eyebrow, and I used the Makeup Revolution concealer in C13 is what I used to like cut. And I also used the Elegant highlighter. Where did I put this? Yeah, this one. I use it to highlight my eyebrow. So now let's jump into this tutorial. I'm going to use this palette. This is palette. I've been having this lying down in the house now for a very long time, so I've never even used it. So I want to come and play with it a little bit. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo pencil in white. I'm going to use this to like as a base, because you know when you use a white base on a darker skin, the color kind of really, the pigment of the color stand out really nice. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to apply this all over my eyes. To take this Nabla Cosmetic eyeshadow. I'm going to use it to transition. So now I'm going to jump into this palette. I'm going to take this brown here. I'm going to put it right on here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a clean brush. I'm just going to take this blue here. I'm going to dab it all over, like blue black. Now that is done, I'm going to take this NYX eye primer, this glitter eye primer. I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm going to put it on top of this. Just so that the color I'm going to add can really stand out. So now that that is done, I'm going to take this this blue here. So now that we're done, we're going back in with this blue. You're just gonna try to blend the blue and the shimmery color that you've just put so that it has like a smooth transition. I'm going to dab the blue. Now that that is done, we're going in back with the first brush we used to transition. We're going to take that brown just a little bit and just try to like blend the top for any harsh line. So now that that is done, I didn't even use a lot of brushes. All I use is 3 brushes, just very simple look. So now that that is done, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my eyeliner. I'm gonna take this one by Maybelline. I'm gonna use this one. This one is the waterproof one, and I'm just gonna line my eyes. So now we're done with the eyes. I'm going to take the same blue that I used. I'm going to use it underneath my eye. I'm gonna try to bring it inwards a little bit. So now it's time to conceal. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution concealer in C13. I'm going to mix it with the C12. My Morphe banana powder. I'm going to use this to set. So now I'm going to take the LA Girl contour powder. I'm going to use this to contour. So now I'm going to take my setting powder. I'm going to wipe all my face. Just going to wipe off this excess powder. So now I'm going to take the NYX lipstick. I'm going in a little bit with the LOVE VOOR lip liner. So now I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution Setting Spray, and I'll be back to do the highlighter. So now it's time to highlight. I'm going to use the LOVE VOOR highlighter. So this is the eindresultaat. Hoop dat jullie deze video leuk vindt. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Vergeet alsjeblieft niet te abonneren en deze video een duim omhoog te geven als je deze video leuk vindt. Vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal en op mijn Facebook pagina. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook page. I will leave all the links below. And if you guys want to see pictures, more pictures, follow me on my Instagram. There I put more pictures and outfits. So I hope you guys like this video. Hope to see you guys very soon. This is your Amy. Doeg! Bye!